So the stock exchange is part of, I would say, a wider thing called the stock market. So like any market, there are buyers and there are sellers. In this case, what we are buying and selling is shares or stocks, and these are a part ownership in a company. So this is where the stock exchange comes in. They are the ones who facilitate this buying and selling of shares. Our exchange is the Guyana Stock Exchange, and it's more physical, but there are stock exchanges in the region and around the world which are more electronic. Yeah, so stocks are a type of securities. Securities, at the end of the day, are financial contracts, meaning they tell you or give you certificate of ownership or explain or say someone owes or debt, right? So ownership will take the form of stocks. Preference stocks, ordinary stocks, those are what we call ownership. Debt will take the form of government bills, government treasury bills, government bonds, or corporate bonds. This is where businesses lend directly to the public. So there are all different types of investments at the end of the day. Our exchange only has shares traded, but other exchanges in the region have bonds included in them as well. We as a people can benefit from some education on how it works, both at the business level, both at the personal level, so we can know how to diversify our wealth rather than just, putting it in a bank account. And from a business level, we are so accustomed to using commercial banks, and the evolution that is required for both of those to happen is something that I hope comes to fruition in the future. Yeah. If we were to examine some of the very established economies of the world, of the region, you would notice one thing common with each of them, and that of a very thriving stock exchange. In US, it's the NASDAQ and the New York Stock Exchange. In Asia, there's China, there's India. Right in the region, there is Jamaica, there is Trinidad. So what I'm coming at is that for a nation to benefit, you have to change that mindset of, I am going to hold on to this full 100% stake of a company. Everything belongs to me. Those companies that expanded, they had the foresight that bringing in external capital will bring with us expertise. It will bring with us more, recognition globally, more prestige. So on the evolution mindset, we need to move past, I want to hold on to all.